To remove the handle on the Leaf, it's similar on all four doors. It's a bit different on the driver's side door because you got the key there, but it's basically the same. As this is just a little demonstration, I'm not going to do the driver's side door, but doing the side door here. Well, here you got a little rubber or plastic cover that you need to remove. You can actually do it with your nails. Inside here there is a Torx bolt. I think it is T27. Inside there is a bolt, and I've tried with a T30 Torx screwdriver, and that's actually a tiny bit too small, so it should be, say, T31 or T32, but it works. Since this is a fairly new car, the bolts are moving fairly smooth. I wouldn't do that on a 10-year-old car, but just trying to unleash the bolt, and it will you can actually turn that bolt around as much as you want, because it has a little thingy, a little bracket that will keep it in place, and that should be enough. You might want to keep the screwdriver in as you do the next little operation here. I'm not sure whether the camera captured that one, but I kind of like just pulled the thing, just kept the pressure out, and turned my little screwdriver, and all of a sudden it loosened out. And now the next step is just a tiny bit, not difficult, but it's different. You need to pull it backwards a little bit, and then it will loosen up. On your driver's side and the passenger side there will be an electrical cable, because inside this one, inside the handle, there's the IntelliKeys sensor, and in addition on the driver's side you will have a little thingy going to the unlock function. And now we're going to try to, bloody hell, trying to get it in again. Beware that you have this little, it's not a gasket, it's a plastic cover, and that one is stuck there already. I prefer to have that one inserted so it won't get kind of tied towards there. And to get it back on, it's basically the same thing. You just do it in the reversed order. There you go. And this one here, back. Okay, the lights are on again. And I got my screwdriver with the T30 on it, and inserting it here. I don't want to tighten it too much, but there we go. And of course, wanted to put on a little plastic cover as well. Yeah, there you go. Simple as hell.